Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2025 Volkswagen Taos, and I will show you the location of the spare tire and the spare tire tools. This video will apply to these vehicles made from 2022 all the way up to 2026, possibly even newer. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the spare tire and the tools will be located in the cargo area. So you want to open the lift gate and you want to lift up this floor mat all the way up, and you will see spare tire is right here, and all of the tools, jack and the wrench, everything will be on the right side. And now to remove the spare tire, you just have to unscrew this and lift it up and remove the tire, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.